Alright guys, today we're gonna rank coordinators and IDs from absolute coach to the one make you wanna drop your laptop and go become a farmer. First up, let's start with the coder list. Always the known one, people's champion. I hope you guessed it already, it's VS Code, the coded one already. And next one, the king of Java. You know what I mean? IntelliJ. And then if you're a Python developer, you must have used this at least once, man. Come on. That's the best Python IDE I ever knew. For C and C++ folk, let's go C Lion. And then if you write JavaScript or TypeScript or React, absolutely you would have used WebStorm. And then let's move off. What else? I don't think anything else. Okay, next let's move on to Amazing Title. So if you're a .NET developer, Rider is the one for you. The only IDE that makes PHP developers smile is PHP Strong. And then for Go developers, Golang. Oh, not in Coder. It's amazing list. And then the OG. It's not the very advanced one or not the very basic one. The intermediate one, which gave hands to everyone in 2015, between 2018 to these mid-range days, man. That's a Coder one. And then let's go to the good tier. Hmm, Jupyter, not for the real life project, but small projects in like kind of data science ML projects. And then Query Creator, right? The only way to survive in Apple ecosystem, that's Xcode. And then I'll put what else? NetBeans is also one of the good one. I would suggest. Moving on to the OK one. Let's rank this one for the OGs. Vim, and then Atom, and then old school wizard Emacs. Some of them are rest in peace, but yet still they are coded in back in days. Trash or delete. I don't know. Ruby Mine. Oh my god, I loved it. This is an amazing list, man. Ruby Mine must come in an amazing list, and Trash or delete. I don't think these two comes in an IDE. Like they are just a text editor, so I put this under Trash or delete since they don't come under an IDE thing. And these logos, I'm not sure about these things. So this is my final list. Comment your opinion, and if any of this list I'm missing, and you know the name of these things, and you wanna rank them, just comment out your rank. Thank you so much. So this is my final ranking. Hope you agree with me. If not, give a comment, and I'll know. And also, if you know name of any of these things, just comment it so that I'll know what's the name because I'm not aware of this. Thank you so much.